Digital coin price indicates a 2% rise in Tron by tomorrow. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. At the time of this update, Tron is down 2.2% in the last 24 hours and trading near $0.2807. Let's get into what analysts expect today. The price could reach $0.2864 by February 25 per digital coin price, marking a rise of 2%. Tron could edge lower to $0.2804, according to CoinCodex, around 0.1% below now. Cryptonization highlights the outlook for dropping to $0.2796, a potential decrease of 0.4%. Another analysis from Traders Union notes Tron could head toward $0.2787, a decline close to 0.7%. And finally, 30rates expects the price to fall to $0.2748 by tomorrow, 2.1% lower than now. This is the most profitable forecast we've reviewed. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decrease of 2.1% and a rise of 2%, depending on the analyst. Reviewing the results, 30rates shows the highest return with 2.1% uplift in value by February 25. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $1 and $21 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 71.5%. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. The consensus view points to Tron trading flat near and 28 cents. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. Consensus estimates suggest the price may slip 0.3% by tomorrow. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 0.3%. On each 1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $3 in growth. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 69.4% of playing out. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. Digital coin price sees an upward move ahead. Similarly, CoinCodex describes Tron as following a rising course. Cryptonization indicates sideways trading conditions. A climb is highlighted by Traders Union, pointing to bullish sentiment. 30rates highlight stability, pointing out that Tron is unlikely to shift significantly. Drawing from the shared outlook, the consensus suggests Tron may show strength to the upside throughout the next 3 days. So, 80% of analysts are leaning toward a bullish outlook for Tron. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. Ultimately, the market closed near $0.2818. Just 2 forecasts captured the true direction. Looking strictly at accuracy, Gov Capital Collector turned out most accurate. Now let's break it all down. 3 forecasts matched yesterday's range. For ROI, there were several strong results, and Gov Capital Collector came out on top. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. CoinDataFlow had $0.0145 accuracy and minus 2.3% ROI, with a forecast probability of 39.5%. See if you can tell who had the strongest prediction this time. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Tron. Tron isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to Binance Coin with a forecasted return of 1.1%. At this point, Tron is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison and long-term analyst performance statistics will be available soon on my website and Telegram. That's all for now. The next data drop comes fast, so make sure you're subscribed. See you, friends.